Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to retrieve archived chats on Telegram. But before that, remember to support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. Let's get started. First, you're going to have to open the Telegram app on your phone. After that, on the top of your screen, you can see archived chats. Tap on it. Then all the chats that you've archived will appear. Long press on the chat that you want to retrieve or unarchive until you see a green tick mark appear on the chat. After that, you click on the three-dotted icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the unarchive option. And there you go. Your chat has been retrieved from the archive section. I hope this video helps. If you find this useful, don't forget to support the channel. If you have any queries, do comment down below. Thanks for watching.